Hangarin ng lahat ang mabuhay sa isang inklusibo at mapag-unawang komunidad. Kaya't katuwang ang National Council on Disability Affairs may online learning system for persons with disabilities. Ilan sa kurso na maaaring kunin ay ukol sa disability sensitivity, awareness and etiquette, disability accommodations and support, gender and development of persons with disabilities, at marami pang iba. Don't worry! Ang courses na ito ay free, online, accessible, at para sa lahat. Ngayong National Disability Rights Week, let's support innovation, policies, and community efforts para sa kababayan nating PWDs. Para sa ibang detalye, bisitahin ang NCDA website